Yeah, just like that. You definitely want to use the stainless steel cut glove. Maximum protection, no cuts. Them mandolin blades are sharp, let me tell you. Very, very sharp. No problems with the glove on. All right. If you're wondering what I'm making with this butternut squash, it's quite simple. Just subscribe right down here and search squash in the channel, and you're going to find all kinds of squash recipes here. This one's going to be utilized a couple different ways, and oh yeah, it's going to be good. Make sure to visit the sponsor for all the high quality tools. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Subscribe right there. Coleslaw. For the full recipe, subscribe. Got my steamed asparagus on there. It's looking really good. The last thing I'm going to add to finish this drunken porterhouse recipe is some of the drunken juice right over the top like this. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right down there. Get cooking. Try the recipe. Have a beautiful day. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot. Before you, I'm making homemade vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow, it's going to really, really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. Like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome recipes on there. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe, score all the cool stuff at your sponsor, get cooking, and of course for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're gonna find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's gonna be good. Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I've decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. 5 years old, it's still going, I love it. Now, if you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Star anise. Oh, it's a really, really nice quality. Hard to find.